Does your teacher expect you to take notes? If so, what do your notes look like and how are they organized?
Yeah, he expects us to take notes. The notes can be used in the future whenever we need to do that exercise again. The notes are supposed to be organized so that you know what you're supposed to be writing about and how to do your assessment.
And what resources do you have available to you as a working Alex?
Well, on Alex, you can use the calculator that it provides. You can see how the exercise you are supposed to do is solved and other ways you can answer it. You can, at the same time, since you're on the computer, look for other ways and more information about the exercise you're doing at the same time. If you have a friend that's doing the same exercise, you can ask them.
And what is a grade setup in your class, and how can you figure out what your current grade is?
Alex is going to be 60% of your total grade, your work ethic is going to be 20%, and your projects throughout the year will be another 20%. As you can see, Alex is a big part of it since you spend most of your time on it and it's basically the class. As an example of how you can figure your grade, you have to do 3 steps. First, let's say you have completed 34% of Alex, so 34% would be equal to 68%. So you multiply by 2 and then multiply by 0.6. Second, let's say your work ethic has 98%. You multiply by 0.2. Third, let's say your total on projects is 78%. You multiply that by 0.2. So in the end, all you have to do is sum all 3 of your results you had for your final percentage.
What are the advantages of using Alex in a classroom versus a traditional math classroom?
When you use Alex, you're learning math by yourself. You are making your best to understand and solve what you want. In life, you will not always have somebody to help you, so you will have to get used to solving things by yourself. And if you don't understand something, you can repeat it as many times as you want. Take as much time as you want because you are by yourself. You don't have somebody to tell you how to do it and keep repeating it.
What does the pie chart mean?
The pie chart that Alex provides is actually what you are going to be learning for the rest of the year. It is divided into 8 pieces. Each piece contains topics of a different area in algebra. You have a total of 291 topics in Algebra 2 that you have to solve or try to solve during the year.
How can parents check their students' progress?
Parents can any time they want either call the school or check out by themselves how your son or daughter is doing on Alex. Your son would have to provide his or her login and password so you can see how she is doing, and by the weekly progress that she or he has done in the week. You can see what he or she has done during the week, how hard he is working, and how much he has achieved.
How does Alex set up an individualized program for each student?
Even though all students use Alex, it is a common thing, but at the same time an individual thing. Because each student has its own pie and no pie is equal to another, since you only have the topics when you finish certain ones, so each pie is different and it is built by the student based on the student's progress.
How does Alex assess a student's current knowledge?
While you are doing the topics provided by Alex, you are exercising your whole knowledge. By doing exercises about things you already know to exercise things that you're supposed to know.
And what do the bar graphs mean?
The bar graph means the progress the student has made through the first weeks. It is based on the times and the amount of topics you've already made.